When people hear about pufferfish, many immediately think of a highly poisonous animal dangerous to humans. However, millions of tons of pufferfish are still consumed every year. In Japan, pufferfish are not only caught from the wild, but are also successfully farmed on large-scale offshore aquaculture farms. These farms don't follow the typical closed system model, but instead use a unique semi-wild farming method. So how does the pufferfish farming industry work in Japan? Let's explore in today's video. About 3 to 7 days after hatching, the baby pufferfish are transferred to specialized rearing tanks. Farmers use natural seawater that has been carefully filtered and sterilized. The water must be clean, stable, and rich in oxygen to ensure healthy growth of the young fish. After roughly 4 months of careful nurturing in these tanks, the juvenile pufferfish begin the next phase of their journey. They are released into large net cages in open seawaters. These cages are robustly constructed to withstand strong waves and to completely prevent fish from escaping or falling prey to predators. Pufferfish are typically harvested from October to March, when they reach an average weight of 800 grams to 1.2 kilograms and full maturity. At this stage, the quality of the fish meat is optimal. Toxin levels are stable, and all food safety standards are met. Here, trained workers certified in pufferfish handling carefully make precise cuts on the fish's body to meticulously remove toxic parts such as the liver, ovaries, intestines, and skin. The most valuable part of the pufferfish is the dorsal muscle, known for its firm yet tender texture and highest nutritional content. If you find this video useful and interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To discover more exciting journeys with us, let's also take a trip to the lush green hills of Spain, where endless vineyards stand as a testament to a long-standing tradition and the tireless spirit of the people. Spain proudly boasts over 1 million hectares of vineyards, leading the world in grape production and quality, playing a vital role in the global wine industry. From the La Rioja Valley to the vast plains growing premium grape varieties, today we'll join Noel Farm to visit the vibrant vineyards of Spain. During harvest season, the skilled hands of farmers gently weave through the grapevines, carefully selecting clusters of ripe grapes with consistent color and full of vitality. Each cluster is hand-cut with scissors and gently placed into baskets to avoid damage, preserving the natural flavor gifted by the land and sky. The grapes are transported directly via conveyor belts to large storage tanks, with a processing capacity of up to 3,600 liters per hour, significantly boosting output while maintaining top quality. After harvest, the grapes are taken to processing facilities, beginning their transformation from fresh fruit into premium products. Following pressing, the mixture of grape skins and juice is transferred through specialized piping that connects directly to fermentation tanks or intermediate storage vessels. Thanks to a sealed design and the use of low-pressure pumps or gentle spiral mechanisms, the mixture moves smoothly and carefully. The fermentation tanks are made of oak, have large capacities, and are equipped with integrated sensors to monitor temperature, pH levels, and sugar concentration. These features allow precise adjustments of technical parameters to optimize the fermentation process. Every drop of wine tells a story through its aroma, flavor, and memories. In an increasingly fast-paced world, wine reminds us to appreciate slowness, care, and genuine passion. It is not just a drink, but the soul of the earth and sky, lovingly preserved in every bottle.